Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial. Today I will show you how I created this warm orange eye look. So let's get started. First I took this dark orange eye shade and packed it on my lid directly, and then later I'm blending the harsh lines. Further, I took this bright orange shade and packed it under my crease line. And then again, I'm blending all the harsh lines. While using the same brush, I'm applying the same eyeshadow under my lower lash line. I took this shimmer orange shade and packed it between the crease line and the upper lash line and blended the harsh lines later. I have added a little shimmer in the inner corners of my eyes. Next, I am using the color bar Kohl Kajal in shade Cocobar 02 and applying it in the lower waterline and upper waterline. Next, I took the same shade on the smudger brush and applying it under my lower lash line. Now I'm curling my lashes. Make sure you're gentle with this one and don't end up hurting your eye. Further applying mascara to both upper and lower eyelashes to give it more volume. You can definitely stop here if you don't want any smoked liner and want to have shimmer orange glowy eyes. But I am adding a little bit of smoked look by adding brown shadow between the upper lash line and the crease line, and then similarly a little bit on my lower lash line. Completes my look. I hope you like this tutorial. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you in my next video. Bye.